So this is how far we are with our turtle now. You can see this is the back side and this is the belly side, and there we are going to attach the tail now. You can see the two corners at the back, and we're going to attach it right in the middle, or so that it's going to be placed right in the middle. So we're starting slightly at the right side, you're attaching the yarn, and then you're going to single crochet into the next stitch and a chain on top. Then we are going to do a double crochet into the next stitch and another double crochet into the same stitch, and in the next stitch we are making a half double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Actually, exactly, make a slip stitch, and then we can cut the yarn and hide the yarn end. So after attaching the yarn to the front, we made a chain on top, and now we're making in the same stitch a double crochet. Then we make a half double crochet into the next and another one in the same one. And another half double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch again. Then you cut your yarn, and we're doing the second front leg here, where you attach the yarn more in the back side towards the corner there. You can see the shell has a corner there. You attach the yarn, make chain 1 on top, make a double crochet, and then you make a half double into the next stitch. And another half double into the same stitch, and into the next stitch also a half double, chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch as the last half double. Then cut your yarn, hide your yarn ends. I really wish this was as fast in real life as it is in the video. So the back legs we are attaching right where you can see in the video, behind the arms. Make a chain on top, go into the same stitch, make a double crochet into the next stitch, make another double, and in the same stitch a half double crochet, chain 1, slip stitch into the same stitch. Then we attach the second back leg. As you can see in the video, it's behind the front leg. Make a chain 1, make a double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, half double in the next 2 times, chain 1 and slip stitch in the same stitch. So now we are gonna embroider the eyes a little bit. This is optional, but I'm using some light yellow yarn here to make the eyes pop out a little bit more and make them look cuter. So I'm using a tinier needle than I used before, because this is easier for embroidery. You go inside the head at any point and end at the back side of the eye. Then you stitch towards the front downwards, come out at any point. Then you go inside of the same point where you came out to end at the back of the eye again, and stitch a tiny bit forward now. This is something you need to practice a little bit. There are no exact rules, you have to get a feeling for it. but I really like how cute the eye already looks now when you make a little bright eyeliner around it. Then you just move over to the other eye, start in the back. Then you just come out with your yarn where you started it, at the bottom of the head somewhere. Cut the yarn, make a knot and push the yarn into the head. So, and now your turtle is finished. I think she turned out so cute. She was quick to make. You can also add some embroidery to her back if you want, but I think she's already perfect.